Assalamu alaikum students of class 3, welcome to the today's video lecture. Ahmed here, and today we have to solve this D1 activity. Complete the definition on the page. Refer to page number 8. OM if you don't remember. So even though most of you might remember, but still we need to consider the page number 8. Now a noun is actually it says a name of something. So all you have to write here is a noun is a name of something, name, name of something. Now you just have to write the name of something. The rest of this is for explanation only. Now what is something? Something could include the names of several things. It could be a name of a person, name of a place, and name of a thing. And if it is the name of a person, then it could be Ali, it could be boy. If it is the name of a place, it could be city, 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 or Quetta, Quetta. And for things, it could be pencil, chair, etc. So this was for just understanding and just for delivering the concept only. You have to write only a noun is a name of something. That was just our today's activity. Now for the next one, it says find out 10 nouns from the lesson. Dorothy meets a scarecrow and write them below the blank spaces. And for this activity, I'm gonna need you to open your books and start reading the chapter Dorothy meets a scarecrow and underline the 10 nouns. Tomorrow we will be solving this activity, and then you can match if you have found the correct nouns or not. And until next lecture, Allah Hafiz.